50-50. I had no lustrate. There was nothing I could do about that. He was topped off before all of that instant AoE damage happened.
Yeah, I don't know
what
how I
else can
dropped
I
that.
possibly do?
I'm gonna Stone Skin spam him there, I guess, just because
He's
got low
lower
HP.
than the rest of us by a decent chunk.
Don't worry about me. Worry about him.
Well, for that phase, I don't worry about you even.
Josh.
Okay.
Something I notice you keep doing. Move vertically for Earthshakers. Do not move left or right. Up and down, like that. North to south. Move backwards or forwards. Do not move to the left or to the right to dodge the green shit when Earthshakers are happening. Forward and backward. No other direction.
I'm doing 2 more runs.
Clean me.
Okay.
Whether we wipe in the first 5 seconds or we make it to 1%, 2 more runs. Dude, tomorrow or Saturday.
I'm not even fucking ready.
Readied up.
I know.
Are we going?
Really,
Are we going? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, fucking going. Just fucking full.
No one's dead, we don't need to care.
Over here, at B.
Guys, stack up.
It's because I did really shit DPS.
I got a purple. Oh, Garuda is dead.
That's 2 busters. might die. Never mind, good job, Shideku.
I did what I could.
You're welcome.
It wasn't.
No, it was
was
because the
aggro.
Pina was gonna be on him.
Yeah,
Run out
because
of
I
MP.
used Circle of Scorn right as new ones spawn.
Okay, convalescence.
Just stack up on B, by the way, guys.
Field swipe does get quite a bit of aggro, surprisingly.
Alright. Yellow first. Shideku takes over. Colors.
Getting right tower.
Left tower.
Tower. Oh no.
Almost wiped us.
Gotta go all the way to back.
Not taking any chances. You ready to go with me, Rio?
Mine goes on cooldown for another 1 minute.
Colors, and then,
Earthshakers,
yeah.
dodge the green. Please move vertically.
Yellow. That should be
Yep.
okay, Reek. Don't waste your deeps. Tank tower's coming. Move up here. Wait for yellow.
Well, surprise will up, at least the damage he should take is reduced.
Earthshakers.
Followed by tank stuff. Alright, tank busters.
And then
Then tank
Yellow
tower.
flash.
Yellow, then towers. Alright, we can move up.
Attack on the meadow for Mantra.
Yellow. Do damage to the boss. Arm is down, take no chances.
31%.
What? Holy shit, there was a delay in my knock up there. That scared me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yellow.
it happens to me all the time.
Move. Alright, colors.
Concentrate fast.
I've got right.
Colors next. Go to your colors. Then do color mechanics. Alright, towers are coming up again soon. Deal with those towers.
Earthshakers.
No, colors
colors
first.
and
No,
Earthshakers.
colors.
March vertically, dodge vertically.
Rio went the wrong way. Earthshakers. Move. Tank Buster. Tank Towers. I'm protecting Rio while in my tower.
Yep.
Up here, guys. Up here.
Attack for KK.
Giving Rio a stone skin.
Good job.
Wait for yellow. Wait for yellow.
Good job on the kill, Mia.
You got the.
Earthshakers.
Seven tried it after put up anyway.
Tank Busters. And yellow garbage.
Oh, Kira, we ran the same way I did.
Up here, guys. Up here.
Matt, if you get a chance, can you cast Protect on Daryl, please?
I
don't have time.
protected him a long time ago.
Did you? Okay.
Here. Blowing. Yep, and then kill the boss. Tank Towers, Shidaku and I. Yellow.
Stacking up.
Stack up
Good.
together, guys.
Burn the boss.
Oh, friggin' A.
We
The
did it.
boat.
No, we
did.
didn't.
Friggin' time.
Yes.
Oh
The
my
longest 1% ever. That was the stupidest
Oh my
thing.
fucking
No.
god.
Good.
I'm
What
not
did
even
we get?
I'm not
What did we
even
get?
ecstatic. I'm just like fucking finally.
Good job.
We got the whistle.
Scholar book.
Really?
Yes,
Is it
really.
actually the
Yes,
scholar book?
really.
Scholar
Oh
book.
my god.
We got the bird?
We got the bird.
Oh, I rolled a
Oh.
53. That's probably not a winning number in a group of 8.
Mara. Mara.
99!
What?
Daryl
Well,
gets the
What?
bird.
Everyone!
he's not even
Everybody-
lying. I can tell by his tone.
He's not lying.
Everyone get
I
out of
rolled
here.
a 22.
Get
by
out
the
of
way,
here.
so it doesn't even matter.
Don't
I
even.
rolled a 32. So
Wait,
I lost.
we need to see that
Pass
bird.
on
I
my
need to
book,
see the bird.
please give me my book, damn it.
Who
Give-
is
give
not
him a-
rolling?
give her a
Give me my
Sorry.
damn it.
fucking book, you ass.
Man, I ain't leaving that shit.
I rolled a 75.
I can't believe the whistle fell the first time.
Get dunked on.
99.
that.
God damn it.
I'll take
Yo,
that.
Wait,
I
wanna
like-
see-
don't pop that thing until
Rio-
we're all
Rio,
there.
we-
We need
we
to
all
all
have-
see this.
We need to see the bird.
Where
at
are we?
least.
Where are we gonna meet to see
Idleshire.
it?
Idleshire, I guess.
Okay.
Idleshire.
I'm waiting.
Let's all take
Well,
a
actually,
group
let's
photo.
go to Hinterlands or whatever. So we can see it in flight.
No, I mean, he has to show off his bird in Idleshire.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
we'll-
got a
we'll-
Upine.
He's at a Upine about it. Man, I wanted the bird so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Congrats. This
I
was a
raged
nightmare.
really hard. So Sephirot heard me and was like, "Whoa, I don't want to piss this chick off."
I thought he'd do that already.
Yeah, I know that
I
never
like this fight having
happens.
healer drops
Yeah.
first because it's a healer check in a lot
Yeah.
of parts.
The fact that
Aw.
okay, Ryu, but
I hate that
Whee!
fight.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh,
this
that
is
bird.
that one. That's the one I saw. I thought that was the Bismarck one.
nope.
No, the Bismarck one has
the
the
Bismarck's
bubbles on it.
whitish. It has bubbles.
Bismarck
I
one has
see.
lots of. Why is this taking so
That one.
long to load?
That one's a good looking.
Oh my
bird, though.
god. Wait, I'm coming over there for the bird.
Oh my god, my load time is like a